Hello, Alyssa here. Today we're making a fruit salad. I used blueberries, strawberries, dragon fruit, mango, and watermelon, but you can use whatever fruit you like. This recipe uses a knife to chop fruit, so be sure to ask your guardian for permission or help. Blueberries are native to North America, which means Native Americans foraged for them in the wild, and they're often still foraged in the wild today. They're also a superfruit, and they can help improve your vision. Fun fact, July is National Blueberry Month in America. Strawberries are native to North America and South America. They're the first fruit to ripen every spring, and they grow in every state in the U.S. Did you know the average strawberry has 200 seeds on it? Wow, that's a lot. There's a long, thin seed inside the mango, so you have to cut slightly off center along the seed. Did you know mangoes are native to South Asia and Southeast Asia? They also happen to be my favorite fruit, along with my little sister's favorite fruit, Charlotte, who's helping me in this video. Slice the mango into a grid pattern, but try not to cut through the skin. You'll see why in the next step. This is why you didn't want to cut through the skin. Now you can scoop the mango out with a spoon and have perfect little cubes. This is Charlotte chewing on the mango seed. Dragon fruit is native to Mexico. It's really good for you because it's high in vitamin C and antioxidants, and it's also a good source of iron and fiber. Watermelon is native to Southern Africa. Some people grill or bake watermelon, and it gets rid of the grainy texture, and then they can use it as a meat substitute. How cool!
Thank you for watching!